Here we have a SAT math question. The table below summarizes student enrollment at 3 different universities. So in the table we have enrollments for the 3 universities: State University, A&M University, and Southwest University. Okay, let's go with the information here. A researcher decides to interview a student who attends either State University or Southwest University. Which of the following is closest to the probability that the chosen student is an undergraduate at Southwest University? Actually, a researcher decides to interview the student either State University or Southwest University. So he decides these two categories, the first one and third one. So to answer this probability question, we have to write the total counting for this one and this one in denominator. So the total for State University is 38,626. Let's write this one in denominator. And the total for Southwest University is 22,361. So here between State University and Southwest University, we have the word R. According to the fundamental principle of counting, whenever we have the word R, so it represents addition. So we have to add these two total. So the total for State University and the total for Southwest University to be added because we have the word R between them. So actually the researcher select a student. So in these one of these two categories, so the total connected to that one has to be written in denominator to answer this kind of probability questions. Okay, now what do we have to write in numerator? So we have to write the counting in numerator, which is connected to the one for which we have to find the probability. So for what we have to find the probability? We have to find the probability that the chosen student is an undergraduate at Southwest University. So take the counting for undergraduate at Southwest University. So that is 19,443. That should be written in numerator. So because we have to find a probability for the student from Southwest University. So in the category undergraduate. Okay, now we have to evaluate this one. So we have to keep the numerator as it is. When I add these two values, I'm getting 60,087. It's a calculator section, so we can use calculator. So when I divide this one using calculator, I'll be getting 0.3188. It keeps going. 1 second. Okay, so here when I look at the option, there are only 2 digits after the decimal point. So we can round this answer to the nearest 100. When I do so, the third digit is greater than 5. So we can add 1 to the digit at the 100th place. So it will become 0.32. We can ignore the other digits. So the correct answer choice for this question is option C.